Got a PDF with a messy background ruining your document? Let's fix that in just a few clicks. No design skills needed. In this video, you'll learn how to remove the background from any PDF using PDFelement. And by the end of this video, you will get a clean, professional-looking document for work, study, or sharing. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed PDFelement, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Imagine you have a scanned document with a gray background or an old company file with outdated branding. Instead of recreating everything from scratch, you can quickly remove the background and get a clean version ready to use. Step 1. Open your PDF. Launch PDFelement on your Windows PC. Click Open File, or simply drag and drop your PDF into the software. Once loaded, your document is ready for editing. Step 2. Remove background. Go to the Edit tab at the top. Click on Background and then delete the background. Confirm the action, and the background will be removed instantly. This works across all pages, giving you a clean and distraction-free document. Step 3. Customize. You can also remove background from selected pages only, adjust or replace the background instead of deleting it, make the background transparent by reducing the opacity. These options help you keep full control over your document layout. Step 4. Save your file. Once you're happy with the result, go to File, Save As, and export your updated PDF. Now you have a clean version ready to share or print. Bonus tip: if you try online tools like Google Docs, they can remove backgrounds, but they may also break formatting or remove images. Offline tools like PDFelement keep your layout intact. Advanced tip: for scanned PDFs, use the OCR feature first to make the file editable, then remove the background for best results. Use case: a job seeker downloads a resume template with colored patterns or heavy background graphics. By removing the background, the resume becomes cleaner, more professional, and easier to print or upload to job portals. A scanned contract or old paper document may have gray shadows, stains, or paper textures. Removing the background improves readability and creates a cleaner digital copy. A team receives PDF reports or presentations with distracting design backgrounds. Removing them creates a minimal, professional version for meetings or client presentations. Students often get lecture notes or ebooks with colored backgrounds that consume printer ink. Removing the background makes notes easier to read and cheaper to print. Government forms or application documents sometimes have unnecessary background patterns. Removing them helps when filling, printing, or digitally signing documents. And that's it. Now you know how to remove background from a PDF quickly and easily. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.